Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to unbox and review the new electric toothbrush from Fairywill, the 80p. Fairywill continues to bring more electric toothbrush products to market. They are fast building a name for themselves as a result of the value for money they offer. Let's see what's inside this box. Inside the box you'll find USB charging cable, brush heads, user manual, travel case. The Fairywill 80p electric toothbrush. The Fairywill 80p looks like a traditional electric toothbrush. But the packaging, materials, and implementation make it feel more premium. The toothbrush is made up of two key parts, the handle and the brush head. The power button is quite firm. Beneath this, the names of the cleaning modes and LEDs are stacked down the handle in the following order: white, clean, sensitive, polish, massage. Above each cleaning mode name is an LED. The LED is lit white in color when the cleaning mode is selected. This delivers the vibrations to the bristles found on the detachable brush head. Each brush head is pushed onto and pulls off of this. There is no need to twist the head. You will hear when it is securely in place. A clicking sound is emitted as the head securely clips onto the shaft. You need a small amount of force to attach and remove the heads. The sonic motor delivers up to 40,000 vibrations brush strokes to the brush head per minute. I've been using the Fairywill electric toothbrush for a few weeks now and I'm so impressed by this product. The toothbrush itself is lightweight but powerful, the battery life lasts forever and the design is super sleek. My teeth have never felt this clean and the whitening mode function is such a game changer. The Fairywill is definitely better designed and I love the fact that it comes with 7 extra brush heads. Feels great and really gets my teeth noticeably clean. I like the different speeds. I would definitely recommend this toothbrush. With a travel case and 8 brush heads included, this is a great choice. It without a doubt packs a punch in terms of value for money. Thanks for watching.